Hi guys, welcome back to channel. This is your friend Ram, and today we are going to discuss another 8 amazing topic. And apart from that, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel, that is Stadla or Ram. And see, if you are new to channel, I would like to say a few things about our channel. Our channel always and every day it is providing the UPSC content to make your UPSC exam super duper easy. And today we are going to discuss very important topic which is very useful for the UPSC aspirants. And the topic is, today we are going to discuss the topic is how to make the notes and notes making strategy. In short, we can say that notes making strategy for the UPSC, right? Today we will discuss the note making strategy for the UPSC, and today we will also discuss why to make notes. Okay, we will make notes and we will know how to make notes, but we also need to know the reason why do we need to make the notes, right? So yes, why do we need to make the notes? We will also discuss about that and see why to discuss about the notes making strategy for the UPSC. Okay, notes making while preparing for UPSC helps us to remember a lot. See, if you write in your hand with your hand, right, as everyone writes, our hand get practiced of some words, some sentences, some topics. So if it comes in the exam, you can write very fastly and you need not to stop and think what should I write and how should I start the sentence. As your hand has a practice of writing, so it will as usually write and move on. Okay, as we also know that one time writing is equals to 10 time reading. Okay, one time writing is equals to 10 time reading, so you need to know that. Now we will discuss about the last video. We'll quickly discuss and move on to the new. And see, we have till now discussed two important topics. The number one is the most important articles from the Indian Constitution. For those, there are three parts in our channel. And if you see another topic, and that is the UPSC exam pattern. Okay, these both are very important for the UPSC preparation. And if we discuss about the UPSC exam pattern, it is a very important, so you need to check that. And if you are a beginner for the UPSC and if you are starting now, you need to for sure check the exam pattern of UPSC, because it is going to be very useful for you, because without that you cannot do anything, right? Okay, in that we have also covered the important topics. So now let's begin and see, as usual, starting with the positivity. And the positivity is, no poison can kill a positive thinker. See, if you are a positive thinker, no one can stop you from thinking positive. If you have the difficulties also, you will you will build the door of the opportunity. See, and no medicine can cure the negative thinker. It is true. It is a very important fact. It is. See, if you are a negative thinker and if you have got the opportunity to do that, then also you will find the difficulty. See, positive thinker always finds the opportunity in the difficulty, and the negative thinker finds the difficulty in the opportunity. See, both are different but very deep words those are. So now let's begin and see how to make notes, which will be very good and very effective for the UPSC, so that we can get our help and save our time. Okay, what we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, we will discuss why to make notes and some basic guidelines to make notes, like when to make and how to make. Okay, moving on, now we'll discuss all about why to make notes. Okay, see, now the question arises, why to make notes. As I have said to you that if you are a learner, you should always have the word why with you wherever you go, however you are, and to whom you ask, but the why word should be always with you. See, point number one, we can revise the maximum syllabus in the minimum time. See, if you know that what will be asked in the UPSC, so you can easily note those points so that we can be easy to remember that, and we can revise maximum to maximum syllabus in the minimum to minimum time. Okay, second point, we can make our learning fast and effective too. See, if you write the notes only, okay, if you write the point to point notes, so it will be easy for us to make our learning faster, and as you have written the important points, so it will be effective too. See, if you read see, if you are a good reader, you can read the book many times, right, faster, but it won't be effective because you are not reading the points that are very important. You are reading, but including that you are reading other also, so it won't worth it. Okay, third one, we can store many books in one single book like and summary. See, if there are many books for it, example, if we take history from class 6th to 12th, we need to read Spectrum, we need to read, and some other books we need to read for the history. Okay, like so, you that all books of many pages can be written in a single book. Okay, single or two books, right? It will be very easy to make our learning super faster. As we know that as we only write the important points, so it is easy to remember and read again and again. See, as I said that our hands get practice whatever we do with the hand, right? Okay, if you write with the hand, you will get the practice, your hand will get the practice about that topic, and if it comes in the exam, you can write. Okay, moving on, some basic guidelines. Okay, always try to use the A4 papers. Now, as I said that always try to use the A4 size papers. Now, why do we need to use the A4 size paper? We will discuss in this video. Second point is, while you make notes, go rough. See, while you are making notes for the UPSC, you don't have that much time. If you are preparing for the UPSC, you don't have that much time. So if you go on preparing the notes very slowly, it won't be good, and you won't have the sufficient time. Third one, always use the short forms. See, as you text in the WhatsApp, you need to use like so short forms to make your notes effective and very faster. You need to make your notes very faster because you need to spend time in revising, not making the notes. Okay, revising is the key, not note making. You need to make the notes but in a very less span of time, but you need to revise again and again. And the fourth point, always keep the syllabus and last year question papers. Okay, why do you need to keep? I will show you, because syllabus means you need to know what is going to be asked, right? So that you can prepare. Okay, if you don't know what is going to be asked, what you will prepare, and if you prepare also, it won't be that effective. Okay, it will be effective, but it won't be that effective what is needed to us. Okay, and last year question papers, because you need to know that from which point the UPSC ask the question. Okay, you need to know वो किधर से क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, वो हमें पता रहना चाहिए. Okay, and the fifth point is make the common notes for mains and prelims. Okay, why, we will discuss that again. Not common means almost same, right? Okay, how to make notes? Firstly, I will say you make two sets of notes, and the number one set is before prelims, after prelims. See, I have said you to make two sets of notes, means one book, one summary, but two parts, right? I have not said you to make two different notes. Different नहीं बनाना है, दो अलग अलग सेट बनाना है, बस अलग अलग वॉल्यूम. Okay, see, first one is before prelims and the other one is after prelims. Okay, these two are the sets, set 1 and set 2, you can name that. And see, before prelims we will see first current affairs one. Okay, before prelim की current affair notes कैसे बनाने चाहिए. See, first one, make digitized note of very dynamic topic of current affairs. Okay, you need to make the digitized notes. Okay, digitized notes. Okay, for making digitized notes you can use any app. For example, if you ask me the app, I suggest you Evernote. It is a very good app. You can use that. It is available in the Windows as well as iOS as well as Android. You can link up all your devices with one ID so that you can edit with anyone. Okay, third one, make the notes only point to point. We need to get only point to point notes, which on, and those points should be also very important. If you have seen them from the syllabus and the last year question paper, then only you need to note that, because we need to make our revision effective, not longer. Okay, we need to do the fast and effective revision. So we need to write point to point, and that to the point should be very important for the UPSC. Okay, fourth one, always write the index so that it will be easy to read. See, if you write the index, it will be easy to read from that topic. And if you see the fifth one, note the topic from the Google which you have to read if you have missed some topic, and if you think that it is a very important topic, you need to cover it before the exam one, so that if any questions asked from that, you can answer that. So you need to note it from the Google, okay, to read. Okay, moving on. See, now before prelims also we have two sets again. See, before prelims current affairs notes and before prelims integrated notes. Okay, everything will be included in this. See, always use A4 size paper to make notes. So why I am saying that, because while you write the exam in the UPSC, you need to write it in the A4 size paper. So you need to have the practice. You need to have the practice of that. See, we can make the notes by using static resources. See, for example, if you take the example of the static resources, you can take your NCERT, Spectrum, Indian Polity, like so books, and the current affairs. And if you have some materials, right, as you can take the Vision IS, some it provides some material, like so. If you have, you need to make one point by looking at all the resources. See, first you use static resources, then current affairs, if anything is included of the static resources, which you can match with the current situation, and then the materials. You need to mix up all the three books, all the three topics, to make one single point. Then note down the points all at once after reading these books you have. Okay, clear? See, like this you can use short forms, like I have written here you as you. Okay, you need to do like so in your book, so that to make your notes very good, and make your to save your time and make your reading very very effective. See, moving on, here is a note point. Write point obtained from the current affairs. Okay, you need to write the point, not the sentences, not the paragraphs. You need to write the point wise notes, and write points obtained from the static sources. Static, as I said, that Indian Polity, your NCERT, Spectrum, those are the static resources. You need to write point to point, nothing more than that. Always use the short forms and symbols. See, symbols also you can use, like arrow, like this star point to make the very very important point. Okay, like so symbols you can use, or you can use maps, diagrams, flowcharts, schematics, and the tree diagrams. Any one you can use to make your notes very very quicker. You need to make your notes very very quicker and effective too. While you see the diagram, without reading that, you need to get in your mind, like so notes you need to make, because we need our notes very very effective. So moving on, see, this is the final notes, okay, which we will make after prelims. Okay, after prelims, final notes. Read all the old books you used for prelims. See, in case if you don't want to read your old books, and if you think that my old notes were good enough, okay, so you can, what you can do, take those notes, put in front of you, and make them more simpler, more and more simpler. See, if you have written one topic in one page, you need to write now 4 topics in one page, like so. You need to write now point to point. See, if you write then only point to point, while you are revising your notes now, you won't get anything, because there is a time gap between them, so you won't get anything. So firstly you need to make one sentence notes, no one word or 2 words, 3 words notes, like so. Because if you make, then only, if you had made 2 words, 3 words notes, then it will be very very difficult to remember about the point. Again you need to revise all the topics from the book, so it will be very very difficult. Take A4 size paper and write the ultra simplified notes by using prelims notes. Okay, it is a very very important point. And as you know that current affairs will change for every exam, so you need to directly add current affairs here by, you can, as you can make the digitized notes. Okay, from that. Okay, your notes are ready here. You are done with your notes. Okay, both prelims, mains, 2 sets, and the set 1 before prelims we have, before prelims current affair notes, and before prelims integrated notes. Every notes you have. And the end of the video we have discussed how to make the notes, which was very very important. Now please consider subscribing to our channel Study Lover Ram. And moving on, now you can download the PDF of how to make notes from our the link provided in the description. See, moving on, stay tuned for the more informative videos. And if you want to demand any video on any topic related to the UPSC, you can demand in comment box, or you can mail us directly. The mail ID is studyloverram@gmail.com. And thank you for joining the session, guys. Goodbye, see you again.